Have you ever wished you could have a handy list of projects you could get to very easily? And I don't mean recent projects. Hi, I'm Juliet, and I don't know about you, but I find it quite annoying when something drops off the end of my recent projects list and I can't find it easily again. There is another way to make sure that never happens. Scrivener has what is called a favourite projects list, where you can keep those perhaps less frequently used but important projects close to hand. When you're in the project in question, simply go to the File menu and select Add Project to Favourites. Then go back into the File menu and look at your favourite projects list, and there it is. And you can get rid of it just as easily. Once a project is on your favourites list, Add Project changes to Remove Project, and it's gone just as easily. I don't know how many projects you can add to this list, but the manual does give us this important fact. If a project can no longer be found, such as being renamed or moved, it will be automatically removed from the list of favourites for you. That's definitely something to bear in mind. I guess it's better than a broken link. Of course, this favourites list only works once you're already in a project in Scrivener. If you want to know how to change the defaults for your recent projects list, check out this video here.